Talk about how you can set up your shipping services. So, Cratejoy does have their own shipping options, and I can show you here. So, if you don't really want to deal with the hassle of outside shipments and dealing with anything else, you can do shipments and shipping labels all within here. So, I'm not going to go through too much in here. I'm going to link a Cratejoy resource that talks about their own shipping because I'm not really encouraging you to use theirs, but if you want to, you can. I'm going to encourage you to use Pirateship. So Pirateship is right here. It is amazing. It's like a third party, platform vendor that Cratejoy works with. It integrates right with Cratejoy, but they get you the cheapest shipping rates for USPS, and they make it so easy. It's so easy to use. So if you can click here to learn more about the app. Otherwise, you can just go into your account, go into the apps, and click integrate for free, and it will basically just integrate for you. It's so easy. So here it will tell you how to create your free account. So again, I'm not going to go through too much in here because Pirateship has amazing tutorials and they can show you exactly what to do to get set up, how to get your first shipment and labels ordered. It's so easy. I just wanted to give you some advice on this just because I did use Pirateship for two plus years, and they just make it incredibly easy, incredibly valuable and rich for you. So what I can do is I can click on Pirateship and just show you really quick, like just some of their features and stuff. So get the cheapest shipping rate. So how this company started was that the people that founded this company also owned subscription boxes, and they basically were figuring out that there wasn't really an easy way to batch create labels and stuff. So they basically created the first one, and they're just amazing. So basically, you can click here for the rates. Here it'll tell you the features. So basically, once you know how much your package and dimensions and everything weighs, you add that into Pirateship, and then it's literally as simple as you import your customer orders. They go into Pirateship. Actually, it integrates for you. You don't even have to import. Sorry, it integrates right in there, and you can just basically click on the month of orders you have, and then you just click, and it will just buy the postage. It's so easy, so easy. And then yeah, so everything's here. I used a Dymo label printer, so this is exactly what I had for my business. Just it's so easy. It's so easy. So I will link all these in the notes for this week, but highly recommend this. They get the best shipping rates, and it's just easy to use. And again, the best part is that it links right up with Cratejoy, so your orders will go directly into Pirateship. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to import anything. You don't have to worry about adding shipping stuff. Once you fill out your profile with Pirateship and you say, okay, my subscription box is 1.5 pounds and it weighs, the dimensions are 10 by 8 by 4, they take care of everything for you. You don't have to do anything. So it's super simple. Okay, thanks guys.